I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? So guys, I am making meat pie and watermelon juice. Yeah, that's what I'm making. At this point I'm mixing the dough for the meat pie, which is the flour. So I'm about to rolling it out. I'm rolling the dough so that I can add in the sauce, which is the filling to it. Here is it. It's already prepared. I've already prepared it, so I'm about to add it then. So guys, please do wait to watch to the end guys, to support me. Thank you so much, and do wait to please like the video.
I'm getting closer. I'm picking up books to get inside the heads of the ones who happen to life instead of it happening to them. I wonder if I'll make a difference like that, even if it don't happen fast. I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see. Until
Please, if you are still watching, thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate you. So guys, I want to ask this question. When you are making your watermelon juice, do you remove the seed from the watermelon, or you just go ahead to blend it with the seed? I want to know. You can drop the answer in the comment section. Thank you so much. So guys, the watermelon juice is almost ready. It's almost ready. Please do well to enjoy the video to the end.
Been fast. There's so much more that I feel. I won't stop until I uncover. I believe in what I feel.
So guys, these are what I prepared: meat pie and some watermelon juice. Oh my gosh. So guys, please do well to subscribe, like my video, share, and drop your comment at the comment section. Drop a comment at the comment section, guys. See you all in my next video. Bye.